Hi everyone, I'm Bisayang Chinito, and for this video, we are going to unbox the CM300 white chef machine by Panasonic. So let's do this, guys. So I have my cutter here, and let's do this. So this is the catalog. So before operating the machine, make sure to read and understand the catalog, guys. So we have here this accessories. So by the way, this is a quality product of Panasonic with 1000 wattage, 2.0 liters working capacity, guys. So let's open and see what's inside. So we have here plastic cover. Let's open and see what are the accessories. So these are the accessories. If you are lucky enough to buy this Panasonic, guys, it's from 800 real. I bought this Panasonic at 250 real, so it's a good promotion. I grabbed the opportunity that it's on sale. So these are the accessories, and this one, and the plastic cover. So we will try if it's working or not. So this is it, guys. We are going to try now the Panasonic chef machine that we had bought, and this is it. Well, so far it's working well. This is it, our Panasonic chef machine. Hopefully, guys, you like and you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bisayang Chinito. Thank you for watching, and God bless us all. Have a nice day, guys.